All right, welcome back to 9.4. In this video, we're going to be finding the sum of the series when we're given it in sigma notation. So these are going to be arithmetic series. So we're going to use that formula that we learned a few videos ago. Note that we know that these are arithmetic because our formulas are linear, okay? So if our formulas were quadratic or exponential or anything else, we would not be able to use that formula. So we are going to use that formula only when it's linear, okay? So then we know that it's an arithmetic series when it's linear, okay? So remember that the formula, I gotta switch to pen. Remember that the formula was sum of terms n over 2 first term plus the last term. So we want to find the sum of this. There are 40 terms. So remember, if this is anything other than 1, we would have to use our formula for the number of terms to find the number of terms. But since this is 1, then we know we have 40 terms. So we're going to have S40 equals 40 divided by 2. Then we're going to have to find the first term. So we'll plug in 1, so we get 10 minus 5 is 5. Plus, we're going to find the last term, so we're going to plug in 40. Okay, so we're just plugging in the first one and the last one. So the last term, 40 times 10 is 400, minus 5 is 395. So 395. Put that in a calculator and we get 8,000. So that's our solution, is 8,000. Okay, so let's do the same thing then with number 8. So again, we're starting from 1, we're going to 35, so we're going to have 35 terms. So we're looking at S35 equals 35 divided by 2. The first term, I is 1, right? So we're going to plug in 1 for I. So that's just 3 plus 3, which is 6. And then the last term, so we're going to plug in 35. So we get 3 times 35 plus 3 is 108. So our final term is going to be 108. So now that we have that, we can put that in a calculator and we get 1995. Such bad handwriting. Okay. All right. So that is basically it. That's how you find the summation using sigma notation, our summation formula for an arithmetic series. I'm going to go ahead and do a couple more examples with this. But if you are thinking, I'm good, I get this, I don't need any more examples, feel free to stop the video. Because all I'm going to be doing here is just more examples of what we just did. So if you don't feel the need for that, and then I will see you in the next video. All right, so moving on. This one, we have 13 terms. Going from 1 to 13, so we have 13 terms. So we are looking for S13 equals 13 divided by 2. The first term we're plugging 1, so 5 times 1 minus 15 is negative 10. Plus, plug in 13, 5 times 13 plus minus 15 is 50. So 50. And then do the math there. We're going to get 260 as our sum. Okay. Same deal here with number 10. We're looking for the sum of 50 terms. 50 divided by 2. First term, plug in 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. Last term, plug in 50. 6 times 50 minus 5, minus 1 is 299. So doing the arithmetic there, we get 7,600 as our summation. Okay, so hope that helps, and I will see you guys in the next video.